Everyone knows that I mess around.
Yo, what's good, Gritty Gang? It's your Gritty back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to take your own Instagram photos. Now, this is going to be a extremely useful tip, especially for those of you who really want to get your fit pics off and stuff like that, but you don't have somebody to come along and take the pic for you. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do everything from start to finish, so we're going to hop right into it. But actually, what I need you guys to do is go down and smash the like button, because these very useful tips, I'm going to show you guys everything in this video. So smash the like button for your boy, please. And while you down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's it, man. We're going to go ahead and hop right into it. So what we're actually about to do right now is we're gonna head over to this rack right here, and we're gonna pick out what we're gonna be wearing for today. So if we keep it in a buck, this is probably the most, not probably, this is by far the most important part of the day, especially for me. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out what outfit we wanna wear for today. Now, this stuff that I got right here is really just new stuff and stuff that I haven't worn yet and stuff that I kinda wanna get a fit pic off in. So the real closet is in there, but right here is like the stuff that I'm like, okay, let me knock this stuff out, you feel me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan right here and see what we really wanna wear. Now, I do got some new fire stuff that I really don't wanna show y'all too much. I do know that this outfit right here is what I want to wear for today and get a fit pic off. Now, I kind of wore this another day. I actually vlogged it too. I didn't show y'all, but this fit right here is what I want to wear. Now, I got this nice hoodie by Renowned LA. It's this Dreamland hoodie. It's actually part of their new collection. So I have that. I also have this Russell Athletic shirt that I want to wear underneath it. You're not going to be able to see the shirt at all, but I think it's a good touch to the outfit. I have these Copping Zone pants right here that I've shown a couple of different times, but not in detail. So I have those, and you know it's only right that I go ahead and pair those pants with the Bottega boots. So I have those. I actually have a hat that's supposed to go with it as well. It's a bit dark up here, but I do have this Too Far Gone yellow and red hat that I'm going to pair with it. So outfit's going to be fire, trust me. Also forgot to mention that we're going to be wearing these beautiful Bottega glasses that I just got, that I can't really show you in detail because I'm saving it for a haul. So boom, you see we got the fit on right now, man. So we looking real nice, crispy, photo ready, you dig? So next up, one of the most important parts of taking pictures on your own is choosing the photo location. Now, you're going to want to choose a spot that corresponds with the outfit that you're wearing. So what I have right here on my computer is Google Maps. Now, Google Maps is going to be able to take you through your own city and show you some of the spots and locations around you. Now, this is just one of the ways that I go about doing it. Another way that I'll do it is if I'm out and about and I see a spot that I think would be a fire photo spot, I'll usually just take a picture of it or just take some type of mental note that's like, yo, if you ever have an outfit that matches this spot, here's the location. But we have maps open right here, and we're gonna go ahead and go down this street and see what it's talking about. Now, obviously, I kind of do have an idea of what spot that I want to take. Let me see if I can go ahead and take us there real quick. Now, I seen this spot not too long ago, and I kind of wanted to take pictures over here just because I feel like the area is really nice and clean in front of this building. So that is one of the things that I really look for. I also look for a clean floor. If the floor is clean, it's usually going to make the entire image look clean. So this is the outfit spot that we're going to go ahead and go to today, and hopefully it ends up working out for us. So let's go ahead and try to get to this spot and get a good outfit pick. Let's go. So we're actually at the picture location right now, but real quick, I wanted to show you guys what I do use to take the pictures by myself. Now, this tripod right here I got is by Manfrotto, I believe that's how you say it. I got it from Best Buy, and I think it was like $30 or $40 at the most, you know what I'm saying? So you can literally go ahead, grab you a tripod. I actually have this like spring detachable clamp that pretty much just holds your phone in place. This is actually by the exact same brand. I don't know if y'all can see that, but by the same brand. I bought them separately. I don't remember if I bought them both at Best Buy. I believe I did, But this is pretty much all you're gonna need to take pictures by yourself and your phone, you dig? So this basically just clamps in like that, and then you able to go ahead and take your pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how we do that right now. So before we get out, I gotta make sure I don't get hit by no car, you feel me? Cause LA people be driving crazy, so. Alright, so we're gonna find out where we want to shoot this at, and we're pretty much just gonna set our tripod up and pick a location. Now I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it all the way. I do got a screen recorded, so pretty much what I'll do is I'll just aim a spot and kind of see where I want to take the picture at, if that makes sense.
I said how it's up, bitch I'm blowing up, I'm so high right now, I don't know the months, I get my back.
Alright, as you can see, I got a couple of different angles right here. I'm kind of show y'all a little bit. I don't know how well you're able to see it, but we got a couple of different images right here. You know what I'm saying? Just moved around a bit to kind of get something different. So next up I gotta get a full body to really complete the little carousel post. So we're gonna do that right now.
I'd be sad after all this. If I fall, she gon' leave, that's regardless. She broke my heart, I ain't felt the same since August. If I fall off, I'ma pick up where I lost it. Big bag, off-white X on my shoulder. Prada shirt, my jacket goes. Rocks all on my wrist, I'm frozen. Rockstar life on.
Alright, so I think we got enough pics for today, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out, edit these pics, and see how they came out. Alright, so we are back at the crib, and what I'm about to do is go through the images that we took over at the spot, and I'm gonna pick out which ones I think are my favorite. So pretty much what I do is I'll just go through each pic, and then I'll favorite whichever ones that I like. So we're gonna kind of go through right here. This one's kind of cool. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the angle of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in favorites for right now. This one I think is cool as far as the stance and everything, but we're gonna keep on swiping because I did it a few times. Now, as you can see, these ones are kind of weird angles, like I kind of look kind of short and stubby, so that's why I'm ending up passing on these. This one's kind of cool, actually. I'm gonna go back and favorite that joint. This one's cool. This one might be cooler. This one's cooler. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and favorite it. This one's cool as well. This one, just to get the hoodie detail in there, I might use it, so I'm gonna favorite it. I think I'm gonna end up going with this one though, because I can see the hat. The only issue with this one is you can't see the hat, but it might be still dope to throw in the little carousel post because it's just like that focus on just like the hoodie and colors and stuff like that. So this one actually I had to like go ahead and fix the chain a couple of times while taking it because you couldn't really see it. As you can see in this image right here, you can't really see it. So boom, did that. I actually went to that other little concrete spot to take the full body images. They actually came out kind of dope, but I also took some green ones after that I think I might use. This one's really fire. I kind of like shook my head in this one. I can't remember if I was recording or not, but that one's definitely a vibe. This one's a vibe for sure. Kind of like this one, a little bit too much glare on the glasses, but these, I came back to that like grass, not grass, but like that leafy area just to see what the vibes was. I kind of did end up liking it. I'm gonna use one of these walkaway ones. Kind of did like a little personality, like showing the shirt from under it, but I don't know, we'll see if I use these or not. I have some other ones where I kind of like threw the hoodie on top of me. Sometimes you gotta just like get creative so that all the images aren't the same. There's nothing wrong with them being the same, but these are some of the images. I gotta see how many I ended up picking. Chose 21, so we really gotta cut these down in half, but I'm not really gonna take y'all through that whole process. I'll end up showing you guys the one that I picked, and I'm gonna throw them into Photoshop right now. All right, so now I have all of my images opened up in Photoshop, and yes, Photoshop is what I use to edit my Instagram pictures. Now, I really don't do too much editing when it comes to pictures on Instagram, just because I wanted it to feel like really genuine. I don't want it to feel all edited and stuff. So usually I will literally just change like maybe the exposure, the contrast, maybe I'll add some clarity in there, because we all know Instagram ruins the quality of the image as soon as you post it, which is terrible, bruh. So what we're gonna do is just add a couple of my little filters that I have preset in here, and I can't really give away the sauce too much on how I edit my photos. It pretty much varies every single photo that I got, but I'm gonna go go ahead, edit them up, and then show y'all the finished result. So I just got done editing the pictures, and I was like, let me go ahead and show them the finished product, right? Wrong. What I need y'all to do is go to my Instagram and look for yourself, bruh. Like, this is the perfect time to go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram. I don't even know how you watched this whole video and haven't looked at my Instagram. Like, what if I'm not even qualified to give y'all some image taking information? You feel me? So go to the Instagram, like the picture, comment down below, I'm from the video. I'm from the video. Just comment that down below, and I'll know that y'all truly support and love your boy. You feel me? So that's pretty much it for the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. If this video helped in any way, make sure you go down, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll be back to you guys with more videos, man. Peace.